Alright, so we've got a gate to put here. Now it's going to be a custom wind gate. So what you can find on the website is some gate converters, and it literally just comes, one pack comes with a pair of gate converters and some small screws, tech screws. Now simply what you do here is you just measure the distance in between the posts. We're just going to do one big single gate here because this gate is not going to be a pull safe gate, and it's not going to have a pull safe latch either. This is just sort of access for his lawnmower, right on lawnmower. So we've got our gate converter. So basically we measure the distance in between. Again, we give ourselves 20mm gap. So you measure the distance in between, then you take off 20mm for your hinges and 20mm for your latch. And then simply what you do, trim this panel down and then slot these at either end and screw them in. And once we cut this panel, we'll show you how it all slots in and screws together and hang the gate. Alright, so I've cut this panel now to the perfect size that we need. Now, the measurement in between, we measured tight was 1910. We minus 20mm there for our hinges, 20mm there for our latch. But you'll also need to keep in mind that when you are cutting this panel, you have to allow for that little bit there. Majority of time, that's 45mm as well. So you'll need to take a further 45mm at that end and that end as well for either end of these gate converters to make sure you get the right size. So basically, we're just going to fit these in. Alright, so when you get one end in, you have some screws. Just simply put one screw there, one screw on the other side. Do the same with the bottom. Alright, we have that gate all sorted now. Now normally I wouldn't recommend going this wider gate, probably a little bit long and you're probably going to have a little bit of a sag. I probably recommend you don't really go 1.5 with these gates, but that's not what we're going to do. Now when I put these hinges on, I used to roughly measure about 100mm from the bottom and 100mm from the top, and that's where I put the hinges. Open those ones up and get some screws into there. You don't really want screws there.
Not many. Actually none.
Alright, when I screw these on, I usually get my foot, probably better to have two people, but get my foot underneath there like that to get the height right. You want the height to be the same as the fence panel, so it all looks good to the eye. Dirt's going to be in the way for us to finish screwing off those hinges, but when I get some time we'll get rid of this dirt and open this gate up and finish those hinges there. Then we're just going to put a simple D-latch striker system on this. Alright, so first of all we put the D-latch on. That in wherever you please. And there you go, that's how you do a custom aluminium gate converter gate.